In today's fast-paced, digital-first world, mastering digital literacy is no longer optional. It's essential for workplace success. Digital tools, cybersecurity awareness, and data proficiency are the building blocks for a thriving career. Chatfuel AI in 2026, the ultimate meta-first sales machine. If you run a business on Instagram, WhatsApp, or Facebook, you know the DM deluge, that overwhelming wave of messages that can either be your biggest source of revenue or your biggest headache. In 2026, Chatfuel has evolved from a simple bot builder into a high-performance AI sales agent that doesn't just answer questions, it closes deals. Here is why Chatfuel remains the heavyweight champion for social commerce in 2026. 1. What is Chatfuel AI? Chatfuel is a no-code conversational AI platform designed specifically for the Meta ecosystem, WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook. While other tools try to do everything, Chatfuel focuses on being the best at turning social media engagement into automated revenue. In 2026, it features a native integration with Llama 3 and GPT-4o, allowing your bots to handle free-form conversations that feel remarkably human. 2. The 2026 feature set beyond basic replies. AI sales agents. Unlike old-school bots that rely on if-then buttons, Chatfuel's 2026 agents are trained on your specific business data. They can recommend products, check stock, and even handle objections in real time. Instagram, comment to DM funnels, one of the most powerful tools for creators. When someone comments a keyword on your post or mentions you in a story, Chatfuel instantly slides into their DMs with a personalized offer or lead magnet. Official WhatsApp API power. Chatfuel is a Meta-approved provider. This means you get access to WhatsApp broadcasts with 98% open rates, letting you send newsletters and abandoned cart reminders directly to a customer's favorite app. The Shopify sync. In 2026, the integration is seamless. Your bot can see a customer's order history, track their package, and offer a one-click reorder button right inside the chat. 4. Pricing plans for 2026. Chatfuel's pricing is now based on conversation volume rather than just contact count, which is a win for businesses that have many followers but few active inquiries. Business, FBIG, starts at $20 includes 1,000 conversations. Business, WhatsApp, starts at $49 MO, includes WhatsApp templates and automation. Enterprise, starts at $300 MO, includes a dedicated account manager and custom bot building hours. Pro tip. Look for the 2026 promo code ARCH30 to snag a 15% discount on your first year of any subscription. 5. Is Chatfuel right for you? The verdict. If 80% of your customers reach out via Instagram DMs or WhatsApp, Chatfuel is a no-brainer. It is the most robust way to ensure no lead goes unanswered at 3 a.m. However, if you need a bot for a custom website or a complex SaaS product, you might want to look at Tidio or BotPress, which offer more flexibility outside the Meta ecosystem. Together, let's build a workplace equipped for the digital age. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and get notified on daily updates.